to save space by saving photos taken with your camera as HIC file or high efficiency image container file on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. You have to turn on high efficiency pictures option on the camera app. To do so, open camera app and then tap the setting icon at the top left. Under picture section, tap advanced picture option and then tap the gray on offset next to high efficiency pictures until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, tap the back key twice. Take a picture and then tap the picture thumbnail to open up the photo on Gallery app. Swipe up the photo to see its detail. As you can see, now the photo you took with the camera is saved as HEIC file. As a note, you have to remember that some apps and websites don't support this format. Thus, you might need to convert the picture to other format if you want to use the picture on that apps or website. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.